Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we have decided to go to Igalapenta, literal translation of fly shit. So this is on Srisalam highway. It's about 200 kilometers from Hyderabad. Apparently the latest tourist destination, happening tourist destination I would say, for all the people going from Hyderabad. There is a couple of viewpoints. There's a waterfall. This is close to where the Srisalam Dam is. We are not going all the way till Srisalam, but just before that. There are two places, Somasilla and Igalapenta. So we'll try to see how far we can go. It's kind of a jungle and you know, the scenic drive of hill station, because Srisalam is a hill station technically. And of course viewpoints. So I'll see how far we can go in our drive till then, depending on the condition of roads, climate, weather, because there are chances of scattered thunderstorms post 12 p.m. today. So let's see how far we can go. Excited for today's drive as well, because this is one of the best roads throughout till we reach there. So no issues with, you know, the road conditions that we have faced during our Bangalore trip. So today's lineup, we have Porsche Boxster, we have a Jaguar F-Type, and we also have a Mustang joining us. So it will be interesting drive. So all fueled up, and we are leaving at what, 8:45. So the idea is to go there, spend some time, click some pictures, have lunch, and just drive back before the day end. India vs Pakistan match today, so be back in the city before that, and have a Sunday well spent. Done with Outer Ring Road guys, taken Srisalam exit. We are waiting for the other two cars to join in. We do have the Jaguar right behind us. Waiting for the Porsche Boxster and the Mustang to come in. It's about 178 kilometers from here right now, showing 3 hours approximately. So let's see what's going to happen. 2,500 kilometers done total in the car. September 9th is when we've taken delivery, so probably close to 2 months now. So decent average, no issues with the car as of now. It's touch wood, it is perfectly fine. Happy with the performance, happy with everything. So yeah, perfect Grand Tourer, as what Ferrari wanted it to be. Have couple of track days lined up going forward. We have one on November 23rd, one in December. So let's see the track performance and evaluate that as well. So it's going to be interesting next couple of months with track days, with drives, as we've planned Jaipur as well. So just stay tuned for all this content. Do like, share and subscribe so that you don't miss any of this stuff. Thank you so much again. "60 kilometers away from the viewpoint, we are at Adem Tiger Reserve, bhaiya. Amrabad Tiger Reserve. So we have stopped here for a while. So Ghat Road begins now in a while. So one of the best drives so far. There, and you know, stop and come back. So that's the point of the drive so far. We have some new guests today. We are the boys from Club GT. Yes, boys. What is happening? This Jaguar is very bad, throwing up a lot of mud. This car goes very slow, but it is very loud. The Porsche is Porsche, you know, there's nothing to say. Beautiful canyon roads, guys. thing that you guys need to do if you have a Ferrari or any sports car. Try to find a road which is as twisty, as bumpy, and as beautiful as this. We have a 6 degrees drop in temperature from the ground level till where we are right now. And you know, it's just amazing the way these cars, you know, are able to take everything. So, probably 812 GTS is something for these roads. Obviously, we are not a GTS, we are super fast. But I have Boxster, which is already dropped off. It's converted. He's enjoying the drive, enjoying the music. I am enjoying the V8 in the front. There's also Mustang. The Mustang just narrowly missed the Boxster. Always maintain distance when you're driving at speed and driving with these cars, because as wonderful as they are, they drive very fast, but they also brake very quick. So you have to be ready for these kind of sudden braking. Anyways, we are about 30 kilometers off from the viewpoint that we are supposed to go. Probably another half an hour, 40 minutes will be there. I'll shoot some beautiful shots. We have done some view of the road as well. We'll do more of that stuff when you are coming down, as I know what we can expect. All in all, this is something which has to be done. This is on the way to Octopus viewpoint. As you can see, the roads are copy. As you can see, the roads are far from optimal to drive a car, let alone drive a Ferrari. But as I've told guys, these are cars which can be driven, and we are driving them. What is the point of driving the car all the way till here to park it there and personally go and see? I want to go all the way till there. Is it possible? Heavy parking problems here at Octopus, but without Octopus.
Octopus is there, the view.
Cute board for parking. This is the Octopus viewpoint. Finally, we are here. Yes, boys, how is the off-road experience?
Amazing. Amazing.
See, always get SUVs, don't get normal cars. These are the roads that you are there right now. So we have not gone to Eagle Benta. Locals here have told us that the roads are not good for these cars. Then this itself is not pretty good, as you have seen in the video. So we thought we will stop here once and then go to Eagle Benta and also shoot some videos there. But the local people have told it is not good and it's not suitable for supercars to go there. So we are heading back right now. The idea was to come for a drive, a canyon drive, and we have achieved that so far. And I'll try to shoot some more videos as we keep going along. There's some car photo shoot happening right now. Yeah, so as I was saying, we'll not be going there. We're heading back right now. Probably have lunch on the way and just head back. As I told you, we have India vs Pakistan match today. So that is the priority and that is what is needed right now. For people who are traveling to Srisalem, the Harita Resort, which is the government run thing, is really good. It is, we just had lunch there. They have rooms. It's very spacious. It's good, so you can have food there for sure. Just filled up about 30 liters so that we don't have to worry about fuel. We'll be going back to Hyderabad now. It's about 130 kilometers and we'll fill up the full tank once we are back in Hyderabad. So Hope they like this vlog. It's a very short one because it's a very short drive. I thought every trip that is done in the car should be covered, and that's the reason I wanted to cover this as well. People living in Hyderabad can definitely come Sunday morning, about 2.5-3 hours drive to this place, have lunch, chill out, come back. Really good roads, good facility available, all that. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the next one. Probably next one will be the track day with M2 and the Ferrari. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.